Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super sweet, a beautiful pink cake. It's going to be so easy. We use black marker for outline. First we draw a big rectangle like this. One more straight line. Then we are going to draw the bottom part of our cake like this. Very good. Then we draw the candle. Now draw the flame. Now we draw some wavy lines. These are frosting drapes. Very good. Then we draw some hearts for cake decoration. Very good. Now for the most important part, coloring. We use different colors. Biggest part of our cake, the bottom section. We are going to make this a lovely bright pink. Like this. Try to stay within the lines. Very good. This is our main part. Don't cross the lines. Very good. You did it very well. That's good. Now we use red color. For hearts. Very good. Use two colors for frosting drips. A yellow color and parrot color. Next we use parrot color. Very good. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Try to stay inside the lines. Color in one direction. Very good. Then we use yellow color for the flame. Use pink color for candle. Very good. In the last we use brown color for the bottom part. Almost done. Very good. Your pink cake is ready. Allah Hafiz.